Okay, Chris, so here is like my desk setup. So I got my monitors. I sometimes use that one. I'm not using it right now, but what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to use this one monitor and not this, but you can use RDP to use all of the monitors, but let's just say that I've got something going on over here. Here's just some YouTube, like whatever. So I got this going on with whatever I want to do over there, and then I have to jump onto one of my other computers. I'm going to go down here where I have this program made by Nearsoft. I know you've heard of Nearsoft before. We're going to click here. These are all the computers here that I can wake on LAN. So they're all just sitting. One of them's over there. One of them's over there. One of them's down there. I have 3 underneath the bed in the master bedroom just for space. And that one for accounting is just called QuickBooks because that's all it does is QuickBooks. So it's sleeping right now and I'm going to wake it up. It's a 2nd generation i5, so it's not really fast, but I have Atlas on it, so it'll boot up within seconds. So by now it's already made it probably to the BIOS screen. I'm going to go down here to my remote desktop connection. This comes with Windows, so you can also go there just by going down here and then typing in RDC to get to the same thing. And when you connect to one, it remembers all the ones that you've connected to with all of the passwords. So I'm going to connect to the QuickBooks that we just turned on and connect. And now, without walking to another computer, Angela does my QuickBooks for me, or she's learning how. So now here's my regular computer. This one here, my regular computer, but now in this window, I may as well be right in front of this one. I can go here and open my email. So it's opening my email, and now I'm in front of that computer. So if I was doing something and then I got busy, I could, now that the computer is turned on, I could just disconnect. Do you want to disconnect? Yes. Now that one is still on. So I could be working on QuickBooks there, doing something, and then I just close it. It didn't close, it's just like walking away from it. So any work in progress is still there. So now it's connecting me again. So let's see, we'll go down to my QuickBooks. Point of sale. Oh, that's actually under hers. So that's the basic gist of it. And so now there's this one doing that. Now that the QuickBooks is open, let's go ahead. I could disconnect and reconnect. I'm also going to connect to this other computer. This one is called Money, and this is the one that I do this one over here. This is the one that I do like my editing for my podcasts and also my church videos. So now I've got that one open. I can just minimize these now, and I can just bounce back and forth. So now I'm in my accounting computer. Now I'm minimized back to my regular computer. Now I'm back over to this. So when I'm working on creating a video, that's time consuming, and it also takes a lot of resources on your computer. So I let that computer that I've beefed up, it's got a Ryzen 5 in it, and it's got a GTX video card in it. It can render video. So I get that going. I just disconnect and I walk away from it, and then it does whatever it's doing, and I go back to my life. I can go play Unreal Tournament on this one, and then when I want, I just reconnect to that. So that is how it works. You just connect it like you would regularly. And now I'll go reconnect to that Money computer. Let's say that I'm all done with it. Now I just shut it down. So now my main computer here is just my vehicle to control all the other ones. But not only do I not have to have a bunch of other monitors and screens and desks set up, taking up a lot of space, I also could just use the stuff I'm familiar with. So if I'm listening to music on this computer, I could also listen to music on that computer. It takes over the sound, the video, the internet, everything. You may as well be sitting in front of it. It's great. So that is what I would recommend. Take those other 2 computers that you have, set them up for specific purposes, whatever they may be. So that's it. Bye-bye.